الخطاب المترجم من البروفيسور فلورنتين سمارانداك رئيس جامعة نيو مكسيكو سابقا المصنفة رقم 50 على مستوى العالم، رسالة للأستاذ الدكتور وزير التعليم العالي والأستاذ الدكتور رئيس جامعة بورسعيد بمصر عن الدكتور أحمد عبد الخالق سلامة من قسم الرياضيات وعلوم الحاسب بكلية العلوم جامعة بورسعيد مصر، وفوز البروفيسور سلامة بالميدالية الذهبية للعلوم من المؤسسة العالمية لعلوم النيتروسوفيك 2010. إنه لمن دواعي سروري أن أكتب عنه بصفته أول عربي قد وضع أسس لرياضيات جديدة في مجال النيتروسوفيك. إنه موهوب للغاية ولديه مستوى علمي عال من المعرفة، وأهم إنجازات سلامة 1 الأبحاث والدراسات الذي قام بها الدكتور سلامة وضعت أسس عدة لقواعد جديدة في مجالات الرياضيات والإحصاء وعلوم الكمبيوتر وأنظمة المعلومات من خلال مفاهيم النيتروسوفيك، وشارك في مجالات وتطبيقات بحثية متنوعة. لقد تعاونت معه في مقالات بحثية عالية المستوى ومشاريع بحثية جديدة لتطبيقات النيتروسوفيك في علوم الحاسب ونظم المعلومات وعلوم التمريض والطب والهندسة. 2 شارك معي أول اقتراح تم تقديمه لمكتبة الكونغرس 2013 لإصدار مجلة علمية في مجال أنظمة النيتروسوفيك نيتروسوفيك سيتس أند سيستمز دخلت كل المؤشرات الدولية 2010، وهو من ضمن المحررين. 3 وضع وشارك معي أول كتاب في نظرية نيتروسوفيك كريب 6 يوري عام 2015، وكذلك العديد من التطبيقات العلمية الجديدة في العديد من المجالات، وساهم بمشاركتي مع فريق عربي في ترجمة العديد من الكتب والعديد من أوراقه موجودة. فالمحركات البحثية الدولية 4 تم حصوله على العديد من العضويات والجوائز من مؤسسات دولية نتيجة لإسهاماته العلمية ونشر العلم، وهو كذلك صاحب أول قناة علمية نيتروسوفيك تي في لمساعدة طلاب العلم على مستوى العالم. 5 يتعاون سلامة مع العديد من العلماء على مستوى العالم بما فيهم أنا وفريق العمل الدولي، ومن ضمن أعضاء الموسوعة العلمية الدولية نيتروسوفيكيشيانز انترناشونال أسوشيشن، وتم اختياره رئيسا للأقطار العربية بقرار من المركز الرئيسي بأمريكا.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Florentin Smarandache from the University of New Mexico, United States. I'm happy to introduce myself and then to say greetings to your conference. I have visited Egypt about 10 years ago. I went to Cairo and Alexandria, and I had a presentation at a university near Alexandria. Surely in the future I hope to come to Port Said University as well and meet many wonderful people from this university, and also to attend your future conference. For me, the best time will be between middle of May and beginning of June, when I have the summer break. So let's keep in touch and maybe we meet in person. I would like to congratulate all professors who organized the 3rd International Conference for Nursing in Port Said University, which will be held on April 20th. Especially the wonderful and very talented Professor Ahmed Salama, and also Dr. Hiwaid El Gawalbi. I have learned a few words in Arabic when I used to teach mathematics in Morocco for 2 years. I taught in French language, but anyway, I learned some expressions and I learned to count in Arabic language. So I'm happy the conference will dedicate a special session for Neitrosophy and Neitrosophic set and Neitrosophic logic, and we can publish all the papers related to this section and topics in the proceedings of the conference if you are interested. So please keep in touch with Professor Ahmed Salama, who can collect all the papers and send them to me to the United States by email. Also, I want to acknowledge the fact that Neitrosofic morphology has been introduced by students and professors from Port Said University for the first time, and I know there are some papers related to Neitrosofic morphology, and also Dr. Salama has introduced the crisp Neitrosofic set, and now the set has been studied by some researchers from South Korea, and they're publishing some papers. I'll keep in touch with Dr. Ahmed Salama, and then we'll see what we can do. So again, I express all my gratitude and greetings for this conference, and please don't hesitate to send me messages, and also you can cooperate to our journal Neitrosofic Sets and Systems from the University of New Mexico with papers about applications of Neitrosophy. And now I say shukran wa alaikum salam. Assalamu alaikum. This is Florentin Smarandache from the University of New Mexico, United States, the Department of Mathematics, and I salute the new conference from Port Said University, Egypt, and especially Professor Ahmed Salama and his team of researchers, students and faculty that did research in Neitrosophy, a new branch of philosophy, and Neitrosofic set and logic, and especially Neitrosofic crisp topology and Neitrosofic topology that Professor Ahmed Salama and his many scientists connected with him have did research and published many papers and books. So I hope the conference will be again a success, and the special session on Neitrosofic set and Neitrosofic logic, Neitrosofic topology will be very good. And I propose the presenters, students, faculties, and other researchers in this section to collect all Neitrosofic papers, and we can publish online and on paper proceedings of the conference of nursing from Port Said University from October 2018, publish it as a book and put it online, and then also send it to many institutions and libraries around the world. And again, thank you very much, and shukran. Assalamu alaikum. This is Florentin Smarandache, professor of mathematics at the University of New Mexico in United States. I am happy to hear about the International Conference on Nursing from Port Said University that will be held Thursday, starting Thursday from 9 to 10 September. Also, I want to congratulate Professor Dr. Ahmed Salama, who is a very passionate, full of energy and dedicated man of science, for his gold medal award. And to salute also the foundation of the Nitrosophic Knowledge International Journal that will be in English and in Arabic, and will comprise all fields of knowledge where Nitrosophic set, logic, probability, and statistics apply. Professor Slamah has dedicated his life to science, to research, to publications, and I'm happy for the International Federation of Scientists and Researchers that has been founded in Egypt, and I continue by saying good luck to the conference and keep in touch, and just send me information about the conference. We can publish in our Nitrosophic journals the Nitrosophic papers from your International Conference of Nursing. Shukran.
Good morning. My name is Florentin Smarandache. I am a professor of mathematics at the University of New Mexico, and I am the president of Association of Nitrosophic Researchers at an international level. So today I want to send you my greetings for organizing your conference of nursing, where you'll be using also the Nitrosophics in many medicine areas. So I hope this video will be a beginning of cooperation between the Faculty of Nursing from Port Said University in Egypt and the University of New Mexico Gallup campus in United States. We hope this conference will lead to a higher and deeper research of Nitrosophic logic, Nitrosophic set, Nitrosophic probability, and Nitrosophic statistics, especially in medicine. So far, there have been papers and books and PhD theses about applications of Nitrosophic set and Nitrosophic logic to medicine. For example, the research has been done in medical diagnosis and multi-period medical diagnosis, in decision making in medical science, in medical data classification, in biomedical signal processing and control, in MRI denoising. Also has been designed an automatic Nitrosophic recommender system for medical treatment using an algebraic Nitrosophic measure, which is implementing on a computer, and it's put on a website at UNM. Also, Nitrosophic logic and Nitrosophic set are used in image segmentation, image processing, and image enhancement based on radiographs. Some papers in this direction have been published by Dr. Ahmed Salama and Dr. Mohammed. There are also other use of the Nitrosophics in segmentations of mammograms for registration and mass detection algorithm, also in image thresholding algorithm, in image denoising, and automatic ultrasound image segmentation approach based on neutral connectors, and automatic brain tumor segmentation on MRI based on Nitrosophic set approach. automatic breast cancer detection and classification using ultrasound images, and optimize unsupervised image classification based on Neitrosophic set theory. Dr. Salama will present on my behalf the importance of the research in Neitrosophic set and logic in a special session dedicated to this one. Also, with this occasion, I invite the researchers that have published at least a paper on Neitrosophics or have a PhD in a dissertation or a master thesis on the Neitrosophics to email me their information, CV, photo, and list of published Neitrosophic papers for an encyclopedia of Neitrosophic researches that will be done at an international level. An evolution of the Neitrosophic set and logic has been also placed online, and starting from 1995, the first time when the idea came to my mind, and then the first publication was in 1998 into a book, now which is very much cited. And at this moment, Neitrosophic logic is the largest logic. So because it generalized the fuzzy logic and especially the intuitionistic fuzzy logic, and similarly the Neitrosophic set has generalized the fuzzy set and intuitionistic fuzzy set. The Neitrosophic probability is also a generalization of the classical probability and the imprecise probability, and there are some special book and information, all of them online at the University of New Mexico, and all of them have been transmitted to Dr. Ahmed Salama. So now I finish and I say Salamu Alaikum for everybody.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Florentin Smarandache. I am professor at the University of New Mexico in United States, and I'm happy to give a few words for your conference at Port Said University in Egypt. I know researchers for Neitrosophic set and logic, crisp Neitrosophic topology and so on at your university. Professor Ahmed Salama and his team, also from other universities in Egypt, and we keep in touch. For about 2 decades, the Neitrosophic field has been developed very much and has been applied in many fields such as artificial intelligence, information systems, computer science, cybernetics, theory methods, mathematical algebraic structures, applied mathematics, automation, control systems, big data engineering, electrical, electronic, philosophy, social science, psychology, biology, biomedical, engineering, medical informatics that you use for your conference, operational research, management science, imaging science, photographic technology, instrumentation, physics, optics, economics, mechanics, neurosciences, radiology, nuclear, so medicine, medical imaging, interdisciplinary applications, and so on. Neitrosophic set and logic, generalizations of fuzzy set and logic and intuitionistic fuzzy set and logic, and is based on three components: truth membership, false membership, and neutral or indeterminacy, which makes the main distinction between Neitrosofic set and other fields. It has been developed and diversified, so in the last time have been introduced Neitrosofic duplets, Neitrosofic triplets, Neitrosofic multisets, and symbolic Neitrosofic theory, quadruple Neitrosofic algebraic structure, and has been applied also in many fields of mathematics like Neitrosofic pre-calculus, Neitrosofic calculus, Neitrosofic probability, Neitrosofic statistics. Also has developed and generalized, for example, the law of included middle into the law of included multiple middle. Then the Neitrosofic set has been refined in 2013 in such a way that TIF, truth, indeterminacy, and falsehood, was split into subparts. So T1, T2, and so on, I1, I2, F1, F2. A Neitrosofic measure has been developed as well, where indeterminacy is taken into consideration, and since 2007 the unit interval 0, 1, which is characteristics for classical logic, classical probability, and fuzzy and intuitionistic fuzzy, has been also extended to degrees of membership and non-membership smaller than 0 and greater than 1. So the sets have been called Neitrosofic overset for degrees greater than 1, Neitrosofic underset for degrees less than 1, and in general Neitrosofic offset, meaning off the interval 0, 1. Also, the degrees of dependence and independence between the three components, truth, indeterminacy, and falsehood, have been put into consideration. Then many concepts from fuzzy sets have been extended to Neitrosofic environment. So it's my pleasure to make a small presentation for your university. Actually, I did that each summer in appreciation for the Egyptian and in general Arab researchers in science, and especially in Neitrosofic set. And my great thanks to Dr. Ahmed Salama and to all members of the and organizer of your conference at Port Said University. Thank you, and have a nice conference.